Do you know that Kuntunkrunku was the first to lead the Akyem people to the present-day eastern region of Ghana? And did you know that the Adansi people were the first in the world to build mud houses and are believed to be the first people created by God? Additionally, the Akyem people hold the distinction of being the first tribe to kill an Asante king. Welcome to the African Storyteller channel. Today, we'll explore the fascinating history of the Adansi and Akyem states, from Kuntunkrunku's leadership to the Adansi people's pioneering architecture and the dramatic conflicts with the Asante kingdom. Join us as we uncover the rich cultural heritage and historical milestones that shaped these remarkable communities. Let's journey together through the past and uncover the roots of the Adansi and Akyem legacies.